Hey guys, it's Steven from Shallot. The weather's warming up, so I want to share a summer pasta recipe. It's a penne with zucchini in a shallot and garlic white wine sauce. It sounds a bit fancy, but it's very easy to make and it's really delicious. Camerawoman Courtney, you ready to start cooking? You can cut the zucchini any way you fancy. I cut them into spears about 1/16 each and then cut those in half. Next, I'm going to finely chop 2 large cloves of fresh garlic and about 3/4 of a shallot. Add a thin layer of extra virgin olive oil to a pan, put it at medium-low heat, and then add your zucchini. After about 3 or 4 minutes, it'll start to brown a little bit, and then go ahead and remove it from the pan and put it on the side on a plate. Add the garlic and the shallots to the oil and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Have a glass of white wine handy. I'm using about a full glass, and it doesn't matter exactly how much you use because we're gonna let it reduce. In order to reduce it, we're gonna crank the heat up to medium-high, and after about 5 minutes, we're gonna put it back down to a simmer and add a tablespoon of butter. It's not rocket surgery. Butter makes things taste good. With that, our sauce is done, and we're going to cook the penne to the package instructions about 1 or 2 minutes less than it says for al dente. While that's cooking, we'll make a topping for the pasta using very finely chopped parsley and lemon zest, basically a Gremolata, and also shred up some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. When the pasta is cooked and drained, add it back into the pan along with the zucchini. Give them a nice stir while you cook it at medium heat, and then taste the pasta until it's done at your desired tenderness. We're ready to start plating, and don't forget to spoon out some of the sauce from the pan for more flavor. Sprinkle on the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and our parsley and lemon zest topping. It wouldn't be Fratelli TV without a generous portion of black pepper, freshly ground of course. Okay, if this tastes half as good as it smells, we're going to be in really great shape. But before I dive in, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, like button on YouTube. That would help us out. Also, new channel, less than 200 subscribers. Every subscriber we get truly makes my day. Please subscribe. All right, let's take a nice bite here. Okay, it's light, but it has a lot of taste. The lemon zest may seem a little bit excessive, but it really does add a nice element to the dish. Totally worth it. Really excited to eat the rest of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay well, keep cooking, and I'll see you soon.